never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal.
Hi everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I hope that you all are having an amazing day. So in today's video, I will be providing you with some decluttering and organizing motivation. I hope that this motivates you if you have a space in your home that you want to get all nice and organized. Let's go ahead and get started and get into this video.
Bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
So if you guys watched my previous laundry and junk drawer organization video, you heard me say that I wanted to declutter and organize some other spaces in my home. So this is one of the other spaces that I have been wanting to work on, and I will link that video below. So this is actually a coat closet, but because we did not need a coat closet, we used this to store household products, cleaning products, and our paper goods. Because we shop at Sam's Club, we need somewhere to store all of those things. So this is the home for those things.
I never want to give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you. You're not by yourself. Later clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better.
So when I declutter and organize a space, I like to lay out everything that I have. And what I'm doing is I am actually putting these in categories, so that way when I get to the organizing part, it'll make it easier to organize them together.
AAA credits, alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break. Only in LA, 24 twice. She's on the phone, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return this love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's beating diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel.
Okay, so this is everything that was in that, just about everything that was in that closet. It just amazes me how much stuff I had stuffed in there. And as far as this disinfectant wipes and hand sanitizer and Lysol spray, this is months of me collecting these. This isn't something that I went out and purchased in one day. I've been accumulating this for like months, ever since the pandemic. So when I go into the store, I'll pick up one or two. But even before the pandemic, I'm always the type of person that has a lot of cleaning supplies, and I like to have a lot of tissue and paper towels on hand. Because you just never know. And also hurricane season is coming for us, so we like to stay stocked up on everything because the shelves, they get empty during hurricane season also. Okay, next, so after clearing out the space to see what all I have, I like to give the space a really good clean. So, question, do you guys have a space in your home that you need to declutter and organize? If so, which space? Go ahead and leave it in the comments below. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at nightshift_mom.
And I've been waiting for you.
So if you are new here, my name is Angel. I am a wife and a mom, and I work from home on night shift. I provide cleaning, organizing, and decorating motivation. If that is something that you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Go ahead and hit that like button and also turn on the notifications so you'll be notified when I upload another video. But if you are a OG and you have been following me for a while, thank you so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it.
Lay your trust, your burden. Lay your hope on me. Take this love that I got. If you want it. And I've been waiting for a reason. And when you came into my life, you were the one. And I'll be holding on forever, or as long as you want me to. Lay your trust, your burden. Lay your hope on me, yeah. Take this love that I got, yeah. If you want it. Life sent this love around, for me to be keeping safe. And I won't let you down. Just let me hold you.
So next, I'm just going to be putting everything back, but this time I'm going to be organizing them in like products, so that way it's easier for us to find things. And I'm also going to be putting some of the things in organizational bins. And don't feel like you have to buy organizational bins in order to make your space all organized. You don't have to. It's not like a must. You could just stack things up just nice and neat. As long as everything is nice and neat and clean, that's fine. And then you can also find great organizational bins at the Dollar Tree. The white ones that I have, I actually picked those up at the Dollar General store. So I just want you guys to know that don't feel like you have to go out and buy all those expensive organizational bins, because you don't have to.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah.
So y'all, I feel so accomplished and satisfied after I got this done. I feel so good that it's finally done. Honestly, I was super overwhelmed with this in order to get started, but I'm glad that I got it done. So if you have a space in your home, go ahead and get started. It actually may not be that bad, because this actually wasn't that bad. It only took me a couple hours to get done. So now it's all nice and neat and clean, and now I don't have to worry about it.
I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. 'cause it's a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, it's a remedy, remedy, yeah.
So, but here is the reveal. I think it looks 100% better. It's not perfect, but it looks 100% better to me. It's all decluttered and all organized. So let me show you guys. So we have paper towels all the way to the ceiling. I wanted to turn these baskets around this way so that way we could just grab them easier. So I had more paper towels up there, and then tissue, and then here, and this one is our face mask and gloves. Here's all of our disinfectant wipes, and here's hand sanitizer and then antibacterial wipes. Here's like our Tide antibacterial fabric spray, and then also our Lysol disinfectant sprays. Here's all of our like air freshener type smell good sprays. And then back here we just have our cups and plates, and then more tissue back there, and then I ended up putting that. I bought that a long time ago. I'm not ready to get rid of it yet, so I'll just put it here so that way it won't break because it is glass. Okay, and then here is our, these are like regular, like different random cleaners, and then hand soap. And then I have the refill to my Clorox all-purpose cleaner bottle that I keep in my laundry room. These are all-purpose cleaners. We have peroxide back there, and then alcohol, that's for DIY cleaners. And then also, in case I need to make my own hand sanitizer, I have that, because for a while you couldn't find any. And then here's some of my Glade refills here, and then more paper towels, trash bags, and then here's my toilet wand refills, which I picked up at Amazon.
The only reason I keep sneaking out to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best.
Well guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you are not already subscribed, and if you would like more decluttering and organizing motivation. And please feel free to leave me a comment because I really enjoy speaking with you guys. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload another video. I hope that each of you have a blessed day.